I love that bag. That's gonna be coming out. But I have to do the bag that I used in the reel the other night because everybody was like, "That bag is so cute." Where is she? I know. Lee, I'm in a small. I'm wearing a small. In the pants, I'm wearing a medium. I'm a size, dress size 6. Alright. I need to order one of those. And at the top in the search bar, look up magic pants. They're all gonna come up. See, the blazers will probably come up too. Anything that has magic in it is gonna come up. So you'll see the magic pants, you'll see the pants, you'll see the crops, you'll see the flares, and just go true to your tradition. I went true to medium. Perfect. I did not have to go a size up off of the skinny pant. I will do it. This comes from someone with some legs. That's what I'm telling you. You're gonna be fine. Huh? Are you kidding? Look at all these great colors. Should I introduce you?
Fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy.
Huh? No, 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 no.
She goes, there's never enough. I have to get a handbag. We can't have and I went and met all the vendors, grabbed some really, really beautiful handbags. These are handbags. So I'll show you guys these colors. We're going to present this one first. I'm happy with it here. We're going to have a great show. We're going to try to be that we do have about 25 and there's a couple of handbags that I would like to show you guys soon. It brought a lot of memories.
Nani?
As soon as I saw that, my brothers like took me to that moment.
Do you not like it?
Says why she looks fabulous. Are these not the cutest bags you've ever seen? Okay, so
Yeah.
I will definitely. They're like the cutest little shoulder bag with this cute little bow. Do you not love the bow? I love the bow. And I think you could do the bow. I guess you could do it really either direction, like however you would want. FYI was so funny. I like look in the chat and we'll see her here. She's here. Fabulous. Like where am I going? But I feel like if you just want a very Baba like super sexy bag, I feel like this is the sexy bag. Oh, look at that black. Look at that.
No, no, no,
large, I did not need to. I love this bag. Lee, yeah, don't size up on this one. There's a lot of stuff there. There's nylon, I think, Are you kidding? Look at all these great colors. Should I introduce? Here is Weiss, everybody. He is the crazy bad guy.
I am. I hope everybody's having a beautiful Sunday. We're very excited. I did this last week, so I had a lot of fun making this bag. And all these beautiful colors. You guys know all the handbags that I make is from the same vendors that I've been working with. So they had some and who doesn't need handbags? Like I was telling you the story last